Today's day 2 of my 30-day 1-minute challenge to bring you great home products, and today I want to talk to you about this garage door hardware. This is made of a plastic material, so it's not going to rust or fade or peel like a metal hardware would. These just come right off. They have a magnet on the back. Just put them wherever you want them, move them, adjust them. They're just so easy to install. These magnets are strong enough to stay on your door, but they will also release with just 10 pounds of pressure. This set also comes with 4 side pieces, but with my style of garage door, I didn't have room for those, so I put those over on our building. This hardware is a very simple, inexpensive way to dress up your garage door just a little bit. This set has more of a rustic feel, which goes with the style of my home. You can find these in the description below, as well as every other product I'm talking about during this challenge. If you don't want to miss everything else I have in this challenge, then maybe hit that subscribe button.